Hello, in front of me I've got BYD SEAL 5. In this video I'll show you 3 gestures you didn't know. Firstly, let's go to Home menu, and here, if you swipe 3 fingers through left right side of the screen, you can change airflow power. If you swipe them up down, you can change airflow temperature. Also, if you press and hold on the temperature here, you can swipe like this to change airflow temperature. The hidden feature also is control center, like in Android smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.